Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get faster delivery on Savana. To get faster delivery on Savana, availability mainly depends on your location and the shipping options supported in your region. Begin by adding your item, such as clothing, to your bag and continue the checkout page. Make sure your delivery address is added or currently selected, as Savannah uses this information to calculate accurate delivery times. Once your address is confirmed, you will be shown all available shipping methods, which may include standard or faster delivery options depending on where you live. If an express or priority option appears, select it to receive your order sooner. Delivery speed can also vary based on item availability and local logistics, so options may differ between regions. In short, always review the delivery choice at checkout and choose the fastest option available for your address to minimize waiting time. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.